Hi everyone. Today I'm making a simple and tasty vegan chickpea recipe. Let's get started with the batter. Let's prepare the vegetable filling. Mix the salted vegetables with the prepared batter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.